Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermarks on CapCut. So if you're tired of TikTok watermarks ruining your repost, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to easily remove TikTok watermarks using CapCut so your videos look clean, professional, and ready to share anywhere. So in here, I'm going to save a TikTok video first. You can just tap on this share button and click on save. Okay, just wait until the video is saved. So now once the video is saved, you can just open it on CapCut. So click on CapCut and start a new project with the video that you just saved. Okay, so this is the video that I want to save. As you guys can see on the video, there is this watermark attached inside. So there are two options that you can do on CapCut. First, you can just crop or click on the video and go to transform. Click on resize and now just remove or crop the video until the watermark is no longer seen on the video. Just like this, you can resize it to how you like it, or you can also use this preset on CapCut. So for example, I'm going to go with 5 by 8. You can tap on the check icon and the watermark will be removed. That's the first method. The second method, you can use masking. So you can copy the video first, click on it and tap on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. So in here, you can click on overlay. Okay, now you see there are also watermark attached on the end. You can just trim it on this part, just like this, and trim the same duration. But for the watermark attached, you need to use masking. So you can, after you duplicate, go to effects first, video effects, and apply blur effects to your clip. This one, adjust the blur to how you like it. I'm going to go with 70. Click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the durations of the effects to match with the videos. Now tap on the overlay video and find mask. Click on mask, choose the rectangle. Now adjust the size and also the position of the masking to match with the watermark. So position it like this, and then you can just tap on invert. To make it smoother, you can add some feather to the masking. Now click on the check icon and just like that, the watermark will now blur. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.